Today's principle of the ABCs of manifestation is principle C. C stands for count. Count what? Count your blessings. Why? Because what you focus on magnifies. So if you're continuously focusing on counting your blessings, you're practicing the attitude of gratitude. So you're focusing on what you do have, which are your blessings, and that is what's going to magnify in your life. Count your blessings versus counting your lacks. You don't want to focus on what you don't have, because the truth of the matter is that everything that you want, everything that you need is already here. It's the eclipse in your perception that's keeping you from experiencing what's already here. So as you count your blessings, the universe gives you more of what you're focused on. It doesn't know good or bad, right or wrong. All it knows is what you're thinking and what you're speaking, because every thought and every word is a prayer. So make sure that you are continuously counting your blessings and being grateful for what it is that you do have. Happy Monday, and I'll see everybody next week for Principle D of the ABCs of Manifestation.